how to create a sales order or deliver the product to your customer. Just click on the sales module and now click on new and type any test customer. And let's select the products. I'll just select this manufacturing table. Okay. And if I check this smart graph, so that graphs tell the on-hand quantity of this table. All right. So I can select my tables. Let's say right now I have a 5 on-hand quantity. If I select this 5, so now you can see it's in green. But let's say if I select this on hand quantity 6, so it would be red because it's telling like I have only the 5 on hand quantity right now. So that indicators tell us like how much we have right now. And I'm just selecting this 5. Okay, save it. And if you want to send this code to your customers, so you can directly send a code first, okay, and then this code will be converted into the sales order. Just continue. And now you can see we have the code in PDF form, and then we have some templates. Okay, you can create or select your own template as well. And if you have any kind of documents related to this, like PDF or any other stuff, so you can attach it here. Just click on this attachment and then you can attach it here. Okay. And now it's time to send to your customers. So the main thing is when you are creating a customer, you have to verify like their email is also set in this customer form. And now, when you will confirm it, then this sales order will be quotation will become a sales order. After creating the sales order, you can see the status is changed, and the delivery pop-up is here. Now it's time to deliver this product from our warehouse to customer location. So you have to just click on the delivery, okay, and now you can see these tables like tables you can check the availability like it's available, product is available, okay, and then you have to just validate it and it's done. Now you can see we have a 5 quantity, we have delivered 5 quantity. Now it's time to create an invoice to our customer. For the invoice thing, we have a smart pop-up button here to create invoice. Just click on the create invoice button. That's the regular invoice. If you want to create a down payment, you can create a down payment as well. And then we have a down payment with the fixed amount. You can also create that. So right now I'm just creating a regular invoice, okay, to our customer. Invoice date. So date is today, and then just save it and confirm it. Now the invoice is created, okay, and you can also download their PDF as well. The invoice PDF, click on this gear button, PDF, okay, invoice PDF, just have to click that. And now it's time to pay. Let's receive the payments, okay. So basically journals. Journals is your bank accounts. Let's say if you have a 4 or 5 bank accounts, you can create journals in accounting, and then like this PayPal, where you want to receive this. Okay, let's say I'll receive this in this my PayPal account and create payment. Done. Now you can see the payment is uh, in payment, And after the reconciliation, the invoice status will be changed into paid. And if you want to see this, so let's click on the accounting, remove this favorite filter. And now you can see in our PayPal account, we did a payment. So thus the payment is 165. So let's do the reconciliation as well. So that's my PayPal account. Okay. Create a new entry. You can add a label. So you can add a label as this. Okay. So right now, basically, I'm creating a bank entry. Okay. In a bank entry, we have a bank entry label as well. So you have this label. Right now, I'm just not uploading the statement. I'll just creating a statement entry here. Okay. And then the amount is 165. Just copy this and paste it here. Add and close. So now you can see, basically, I'm just adding the payment entry here, and the label is same. So if the label is same, and you can see the my bank entry is reconciled here. And when I jump back here, so right now it's in payment, and when I refresh my tab, so invoice is paid, customer invoice is paid. So that's the complete process of a sales. Then you will deliver, and after creating invoice, and then uh, payments, and the last one is reconciliation. Thank you.